Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves an isolated footing design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design an isolated square footing using working stress method for a 16 inches by 16 inches square column carrying an axial load of 250 kips. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 4,500 psi, main bars 3/4 inch diameter bar grade 60, soil bearing capacity 4,500 psf. The footing carries an axial load of 250 kips. Assume a self-weight of 13.23 kips for a total load of 263.23 kips. Enumerate input parameters required. Footing name F14. Square shaped. Depth from natural grade line 5 feet. Main bars 3/4 inch diameter at grade 60. Strength of concrete 4,500 psi. Soil bearing capacity 4,500 psf, a 16 inches by 16 inches column on top of footing with total load of 263.23 kips. Given Fc prime equals 4,500 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows: n equals 7.584, k equals 0.39, j equals 0.87. Given P equals 263.23 kips and Q equals 4.5 ksf, the width of footing is 92 inches. Net upward soil pressure is 4,254 psf. Critical sections for punching shear, beam shear, moment and bond shear. Following the given computations, the effective depth is 15 inches and total depth is 18 inches. Given footing width of 92 inches, 16 inches side of column, and net soil pressure of 4,254 psf, the moment is 1,962,275.67 inch-pounds. The area of steel is 6.27 square inches. The number of bars for 3/4 inch diameter is 15. The beam shear force is 62,510.17 pounds, and shear stress is 45.30 psi, less than 73.79 psi. The punching shear force is 221,651.13 pounds, and shear stress is 119.17 psi, less than 134.16 psi. The bond force is 103,277.67 pounds. Total bar circumference is 35.4 and bond stress is 223.56 psi, less than 429.33 psi. Design results are as follows: Fc prime equals 4,500 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, footing size is 7 feet 8 inches by 7 feet 8 inches by 18 inches, main bars of grade 60, 15 pieces 3/4 inch diameter bar at 6 1/4 inches on center both ways. Depth of footing from natural grade line 5 feet. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.